Hi guys, welcome to my passion with EBD. Yes, in today's video I have something inside of this box and I want us to unbox it together. So if you're joining my channel for the first time, welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn post notification bell on, and do not forget to give this video a thumb up. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always supporting my channel. I appreciate you. Now let's quickly get straight into what is inside of this box. During the week I unboxed this video, I had a couple of deliveries coming in, so I had no idea what was inside of this box. But to my surprise, guys, it was while I was unboxing that I realized what was actually inside of it, and that's a camera. That box was actually big, guys. Yes, it was big. I had a previous camera I was working with before, but that camera wasn't serving the purpose it was intended for. So I felt like I needed to get a better one, you know, with a better quality. And that's why I had to get this. Here is the battery charger. It has two lamp colors. One is orange and the other one is green. So when the orange color is on, that is to show that it's charging, and when it is fully charged, that turns to green. So here is the battery, and I'm going to show you how you fix that into the charger. I've checked the review about this camera on YouTube before purchasing, and the beauty about it is it's so lightweight. Yes, I can confirm that to you. It is lightweight and it has a flip over monitor. This is one thing my previous camera never had, so it was quite difficult when I'm doing a sit-down video to record. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm sitting in the frame or I'm sitting outside of the frame. So I had to go extra mile to use my laptop as a monitor. But with this, it's very much easy because I have to sit in front of the camera and I can see myself. It comes with a detachable lens, which is also lightweight. I love that. It is actually lightweight. So on the camera, it's got a front cap, and at the back as well, it's got a cap there. So what you need to do is to take off the back cap, you know, the cap at the back, and the cap, there's another cap on the body of the camera, so you need to take that off and make sure the pin on the camera and the lens are aligned with each other. Once you turn it around and you hear that clicking sound, then it's perfect. There is a strap attached which prevents your camera from falling off, so you put that around your neck and you're good to go. Just at the top of the battery is a memory card slot, so you need to get a memory card which doesn't come with the camera. You purchase that separately. Once you have inserted the battery, it's time for you to set the date, time, your time zone and your language. So from there, you set the power switch to on, and then you can preview everything you want to see on your screen. It is also a touch screen. I love that. On the left hand side of the camera, it's got a microphone port, so you can actually get an external microphone and connect it right there. While on the right hand side, you have the HDMI port. It also comes with an inbuilt flash. Yes, that is basically for photography, not for video recording. Yeah, when you're doing your photography, you have that inbuilt flashlight. Underneath this camera is a tripod mount. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you like it. Please consider subscribing if you are yet to. Like, share this video with your family and friends, and I will see you all in my next video. Till I come your way again next time, stay cool and be happy. Bye bye.